Hey everyone, it's Evan from Shake Row and Roll Off-Road. I'm going to show you a couple things that I recently got for the channel, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing next week. So first, I got this GoPro Hero 11. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it and use its features correctly. Next, I bought this, which will help me with some undercarriage shots. I'll show you in a second. And that's how it will work. Unfortunately, the other two things haven't arrived yet, so I'll be showing you some pictures of what they are. Next week, I'll be recording at Mustangs at Daytona. It's a week-long event, and if you're interested in Mustangs, or cars anyway, stop by and check it out. So hit like and subscribe for more videos.